this is Chris Smith with IntelleTools, and we're here to demonstrate yet another tool today. This one is the Makita Sawzall style reciprocating saber saw, and it is similar to the circular saw in that it is attached to a long pull tool with the pivoting head, and this allows the Sawzall, as you normally would, start with the blade flat with the surface for doing a plunge cut, and then bringing it in is what we'll demonstrate today. Also, there's a hook where the tool can be suspended by the hook and put into position with a crane instead of using the pole. For this first demonstration, we're actually going to use the pole. So first of all, the pole has to be adjusted to the desired operator's height. There's an adjustment knob in the back side here. We've got a handle here that is adjustable. I can get this to some comfortable position so that my grip can be maintained here. In this case, I'm having to twist it a little bit clockwise from my end. So I'm going to put this down here so I can get a nice grip on it. This lever here actually does the pivoting action. I can lock that handle in position if I need to, but as I push this down, it also pushes the head down. So the action is pushing the handle down here. It pulls on the rod, pulls on the linkage down there, and pivots it. We also have a locking trigger switch, so I'm going to pull the trigger switch and lock it in. So now that the saw is active and ready to go, and now all the power can be done by operating the foot switch down here. Time your operator can go ahead and grab the debris, and when it gets ready to free, they can discard it. We're going to do another demonstration of the reciprocating saw, but instead of just being held on the stand, this time we're going to show how it can be suspended from a crane hook or a hoist hook and still do the cutting operation. Additionally, sawzalls typically, or reciprocating saws, typically have the ability to do a plunge cut. So we want to demonstrate that as well. So we're going to try a plunge cut right in here, and I just want the ability to swing up like this. Okay, so I can pivot on that hoist hook right about there. So let's see if this will work just fine. All right, here we go. So there's a couple demonstrations of the reciprocating saw being able to plunge cut and then slice off another piece of wood. Thank you very much.